All right, who remembers the Don't Get Up in My Grill video with Ron and Keith? This thing looks a little rough. See, it's got some ventilation holes here. Factory equipped ventilation holes, but in plenty of vitamin A, vitamin D, whatever you get out of the sunshine. I'm not a doctor, don't play one at home or at the junkyard. We're taking a peek inside the car. You know, still got floor pans. Chevrolet built over 660,000 Chevelles, including 2-doors, 4-doors, and wagons for 1970. Barking dog and this 70 Malibu. You check out the side here. It is a 350, no hood, no engine, no transmission, chalk mark on the firewall. As always, cheap muscle cars are never for sale.